Hey, man, we're back at it again here. We got the EZGO Robbins here, and I'm sure a lot of people can relate to this. Once you speed your car up, if you haven't, you will over time. All right, man, what the problem we're having here is the golf cart. Customer can drive it a while, and then when she comes to a stop, the cart don't run no more. It turns over. It just takes a while for it to go. And I'm going to show y'all what to look for and what the problem is with this one. That way, I'm sure everybody here is going to have this issue if you speed it, if you turn your golf cart up. Now, if you look down here on your fuel pump, you got your pulse line, which comes from the engine. You got your carburetor line, which goes to the carburetor. And then you got your fuel, your gas tank line, which comes there. That's the end. Now, if you look at your hose that comes from the crankcase, if you're looking at it and you see it goes down and it's got a downspout in it where it actually goes down, then comes back up, what happens over time is, well, let me show you. I'm gonna pull it off and I'm gonna take it, put my hand here. I'm gonna take and shake it down. And you can see it there. See how it's wet with oil? And what happens is, because there is a lower point in the fuel line, in the pulse line, then what comes out the engine, it's got a dip. So what happens is the oil gets in there and it can't pump the oil out. So the oil accumulates here. So when you stop, any oil that's actually beginning to come up, it goes back down and clogs this up. So therefore, when you go to take off, you can't crank up. All right. Now what I'm gonna do is take it. Let me show you. All right, man, so what I'm gonna do is take the fuel line here and I'm gonna take it and run it where if any oil gets in it, it can drain back down. So I'm gonna take it and cut it. Because what you want is you want a straight downward position, straight back to the engine, like that. All right, let me put the clamp back on. Let me see if I can get y'all a better angle at it. Now you can see it where I got it straight. It's straight down to the pulse line. All right. And if you ever had this problem, or if you got something going on, you don't know what it is, just remember on this channel we change one part only. We don't just throw money at a golf cart and fix it. All right. Now I've seen this before too on the Kawasaki if you turn it wide open, but the way the Kawasaki, mainly it drains back down the back of the engine. If you'll notice on the Kawasaki that the fuel line goes down, the pulse line goes down in the back of the engine, so it gets time to drain back down. All right, so just make sure this is straight down from the fuel pump to the engine. No dip in it, because any dip accumulates oyster because it accumulates oil because you're running so fast, it sloshes the oil around. What this is pushing pressure. When the piston goes down in the engine, it pushes pressure in the engine, and therefore pushes pressure up to this fuel pump, and what causes it to pump. So anytime the piston goes down, it pushes. If you have too much oil in it, or if you're going too fast, it's going to push oil in the line here. All right, man, I just want to show everybody, man. Y'all stay tuned, man.